What's up, everybody? Just got a new Thru saber. Wanted to unbox it with you. I did rip it. Didn't take it outside and try it yet. So, figured we go try it together. Yeah. Charging cable. And it runs off a AA battery that is rechargeable with Type C. 620 lumens, I believe, is what it was with the battery it comes with. However, if that battery is low, you can put a regular AA in it. Has double clip, forward or back. Oh, maybe I didn't tighten it. Let's see. Sorry about that. Actually says right on it, tighten the bottom and top caps. I guess they have it that way so the battery doesn't get loose. Let's take this outside. Oh, guess it's raining. That is not bad for a tiny little flashlight. That's low. Super bright. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. That's the Thru saber. So, a little bigger than my Olay, but see how it holds up. Oh, I'm sorry. It was a 2-pack for $19.99. We got 2 of them. Ended up giving the other one to my father. So, but seems like a pretty good little light. Thanks. Have a good night.